Hey, this is Stefan, goalkeeper for the Seattle Sounders. I want to give a brief shout out to HowExpert.com and talk about my top 5 soccer goalkeeping tips. Number 1, focus on every single ball. Focus on each catch before you move to the next thing, because if you don't catch it, the next thing doesn't even happen. Number 2, always move your feet. Get your body behind every single ball and keep your body moving, because the more barriers behind the ball, the better. Number 3, make sure you're stopped and set on every single shot. And balance is the most important thing to being able to react. Number 4, be very aggressive on crosses. And once you come out for a cross, go get it. Don't change your mind in the middle, because that's when you get caught in no man's land and can get scored on pretty easily. Number 5, lastly, be loud and be demanding in your communication. The more you organize your defense, the less saves you're going to have to make. All right. Good luck, guys.